on problem C, it is given that a right triangle right here, with this angle being right, is inscribed under the curve y equals 36 minus x squared, as shown by the figure to the right here. Write a function in terms of x for the area of this triangle. So we're given that this graph right here is the graph of the function y equals 36 minus x squared. And if this is the y-axis and this is the x-axis, we can solve for the y and x intercepts to find this point, and this point. When you plug in 0 for y right here and solve for x, you get that x can either equal -6 or 6, so those are the x-intercepts. And then the y-intercept, when you plug in 0 for x, it's just 36 minus 0, so it's 36. So the y-intercept is 0, 36. So we know these 3 points. And we know that this vertex of the triangle right here is the same as the x-intercept of the graph of y equals 36 minus x squared based on this diagram. So this left vertex of the triangle is -6, 0. We also know that because this is a right triangle and this angle is right, that means this line right here, this side of the triangle, is perpendicular to this side here, which is on the x-axis. So that means that this side right here is part of a vertical line. So the coordinates of this third top right point of the triangle right here are going to be the x and y coordinates of this function right here, because as you can see, this third side goes straight up from the x-axis to a point on the function y equals 36 minus x squared. So this point can be written in terms of x with coordinates x 36 minus x squared. And because this line is vertical, this side of the triangle is vertical, we know that its x value is going to be the same as this point. So this vertex's x value is x, and then because this side is horizontal, we know that it has the same y value as this point right here, so its y value is 0. So this point is x0. And based on this information, we can plug these coordinate and number values into a formula for the area of a triangle. And we know the formula from the area of a triangle is area equals 1/2 base times height. You can treat this bottom side as the base of the triangle and this right side as the height of the triangle. We know that the distance of a horizontal line is just the difference of the x values. So that's going to be x minus -6 or x plus 6. And then the distance of a vertical line is just the difference in y values. And that is going to be 36 minus x squared minus 0, or 36 minus x squared. So then we can solve this equation that we plug variables into and factor out 6 minus x and 6 plus x from the 36 minus x squared, and then simplify that to area equals -1/2 x plus 6 squared times x minus 6.